Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Xuan, the CEO and founder of Cosy Hauz. Today I'm so happy to be standing here because we have just finished two brand new, very high quality houses near SM4 Morden. And today I'm going to show you the house a bit. We are standing in the kitchen of one of the houses and have a look. What do you think? I absolutely love it. The flooring is a herringbone design, very pretty, a bit labor intensive, but very nice. We have all our windows are triple glazed aluminum windows with big glass area. You can see this looks like a picture frame. And with our kitchen, everything is custom made. There's no gaps below and above, and a lot of storage. And this is quartz. We use quartz because it's more durable compared to marble, and I love this waterfall design. You can see no expenses was spared. And also the backsplash is full quartz as well. All our appliances are German. I like Bosch. It's very durable. Even the hidden ones like dishwasher, washing machine, every single piece of appliance here is Bosch. We also have underfloor heating here. I just show you one little design. Look at here. We think you might charge your phone here. So this socket has even Type-C and USB. You'll see a lot of really nice, cozy designs in this house. And this is our reception room. The biggest design feature is this beautiful crystal glass wall and door, full ceiling height. We designed this because a lot of the British houses are quite deep, but not very wide. So by using this design, we let a lot of light in and give you the sense of openness and being spacious. Welcome to this room. This is my absolutely most favorite room in the house. Look at this beautiful crystal glass separating your sleeping area and your dressing area. This beautiful wardrobes. If I open this for you, you can see that inside, you have drawers, lights. Some of them have mirrors. So I'm really proud of our wardrobes and the way custom made them in the factory and the ceiling to floor height. This is your ensuite bathroom. All the taps and showers are from Grower. Yeah, the taps are from Grower as well. And you have this beautiful his and her sink vanity unit. This is stone top. And you have this beautiful mirror as well. This is a smart mirror. You can change the lighting if you want. And then you have the anti-fog function as well. And this is the main sleeping area, beautifully dressed, loads of light. My favorite is actually this window because it feels like a picture frame, letting a lot of light. This bed is massive. I think this is a king-size bed, so you can imagine the size and the feeling of this room. Now I'm going to show you the three other bedrooms. Even though they're not the master bedroom, but they are also very spacious. So this is the second bedroom. Again, I would like to show you our wardrobes. It's very big, spacious, with lighting. And some of them have drawers and have mirrors as well. And we have been buying this wardrobe for a long time, and all our buyers love this wardrobe. Very thick and nice carpet. And this room has an ensuite bathroom as well, a shower room, featuring a really nice vanity unit, smart mirror, your toilet, and also a very nice Grower shower. So this is the second bedroom, and on this floor we have two ensuite bedrooms. Now we are in the loft. Usually you will think loft, awkward space, low ceiling height. So coming to our loft, it's absolutely beautiful. And I really like how the team used the space, this limited head height space, put the bed, the desk and chair, and use this customized wardrobe to really use every bit of space. This is a loft room, but it feels so spacious. Actually, this is my daughter's favorite room. And now coming into this beautiful Jack and Jill bathroom. Again, double sink, smart mirror, a very, very big shower. I actually want to have a shower here. Look at the head height. I am really, really tall, but it's very far from me. Yeah, so I think one of the best thing about our house is the beautiful ceiling height. And then this is the Jack and Jill bathroom. So you come in to the next bedroom. So they will be perfect if you have two kids and they would share this floor. And again, I love how the space is laid out. You know, we put the bed here, which is a little bit limited head height, but you know, the space is used so effectively and it feels very, very cozy. And then we have a lot of storage on each side. Some details, you notice the socket, again, you have charging there. And actually it's a bit difficult for you to see, but underneath this table, you have the wired Wi-Fi as well. And for all the hallways and bathroom, you have the night light as well, so it will light up automatically and it's censored. And that's the end of the tour for 27 Florence B. And we can go and have a look at 27 Florence A later as well. Thank you!